I don't know if I'm recording or not. I think I heard a beep. If I did, hi folks, how you all doing? Hope you're all well. I'll be able to check here in a minute. Have a look at mirrors. El neutral. Bang. Yes, I am. The Swan. Used to go drinking there many moons ago. Actually, all the way along here, Bradshire. It'll be mad after the 19th along here, I reckon. Really will. So we're just off getting something to eat. Cheeseburger City. Oh God, bloody hell. Yeah, come visit Bolton. We've got more tarmac than flipping. I mean, more tarmac than one of it. More potholes than tarmac. We might as well just go back to having cobbled streets. Imagine that. If we had cobbled streets, how long vehicles wouldn't last. That'd be funny. You probably only get like 12-month warranty on them because it's shit that sells to pieces. I'm back out again with me man Sanjay. Weather's kept us from riding at the weekend. El Neutral. Did you go out Thursday?
No, I didn't bother. I was too knackered.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
I reckon I'll get knocked out tomorrow.
Do ya? I don't. If only I could. Oh, I've missed being out on this beast. I really have. So for all you people that live in these warmer climates, I'm well Joe. Is that what they say? I'm well Joe. Do a bit of Essex. Ooh, we've got the lane to ourselves. Lovely jubbly. Oh, the seats at that rim tape he's put on. I like it. Oh man, I'll tell you, remind me when we get there, I had to take the front caliper off.
Right.
Oh, I'll tell you when we get up there.
Hey, don't forget, I need to get an oil filter.
Oh crap, yeah. Do you want to get one now?
Yeah, I'll go there for it. Oh, wait a minute.
Off to Bolton Motorcycles. That's where I got my oil filter from. And it's where I did my CBT. I need to sort these markings out for a second, then I was thinking I was in opposite carriageway. It sounds bigger than a 125, trust me. Put earphones in, that sounds like it's, I don't know, 400 or 500 cc. Keep feeling bits of rain, but it's not putting me off. Ooh, that's nice. Got a puncture. There was a mad, if you're from Bolton, like guy with a sword there, like kicking off, and then another guy come flying in his car and ran this guy over. Crazy. Not even going there for petrol ever again. Oh God, I love being out on the bike. Yeah, one of the videos that I did last week, well, I did 3 and I didn't like any of them, but the point I was making in one of them is, I know I've mentioned a few times about how I think bikes are better than cars, and apart from, you know, cars keep you dry and warm when the weather, you know, when it's winter and stuff and when it's raining, to me, bikes honestly, if you've never tried biking, and not necessarily, you don't have to get a geared bike, get a scooter. And there's, honestly, it's so much better than driving. And even my son, who's a petrol head, has decided that, you know, he's not passed his driving test, he's passed his theory. And he's decided, you know, he's passed his theory to do a driving test, that is, sorry. And he's decided that he's actually bought himself a car ages ago. He was learning to drive in it, and he's decided now that he's selling it, and the money he makes off it he's putting towards getting a motorbike. And like I said, he's a proper petrol head, and even he was like, yeah, cars are boring. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, this is Bolton motorcycles. I'll see if I can just nip right back, see if they're about. So I did my CBT here. See if Mike's about. Can you get in there? Have a look. And Sanjay did his CBT here. My son did his CBT here. And I did my CBT here on one of these, same colour as well. Oh, there's Karen. There's Karen, she must have been doing CBTs. Alright folks, I'm going to end it here. Take care of each other. Well, I've done it wrong, haven't I? Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye now.